Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working on All Keys Lost 2014. I believe it's a Sonic. Yep, Chevy Sonic 2014. There's a couple of ways to get the key cut. You could either lishi the door, or you could take the ignition out, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking this ignition cylinder out, and I'll show you guys how to do that. First, I want to remove the steering column cover, which held by one Phillips head down here. Then we should be able to pop this open, and I'll show you the tool that we're going to use to take the ignition out. Alright, unfortunately we weren't able to remove the ignition cylinder because the steering wheel was in a lock position, and there's a couple of screws I'll show you guys later that need to get into to remove it. So I was able to remove the door lock, and I was able to pick the door lock and decode it. Okay. Alright, now that we got the door lock picked, we're just gonna decode it with this lishi. See, that's a 4. That's a 4. That's a 2. Alright, that's a 1. It's ringing on 1. That's a 3. I want to say that's a 3 because it doesn't even touch the 2. That's a 4. And that's a 1. So we got 4, 4, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 1. And when we put that in our machine here, with the 8 cut, we get this key code right here. So it's time to cut the key and test it out. Alright, now that we placed the lock back in the door, you can see it operates the door like normal. And let's test it out on the ignition. Of course the car is dead, but it works. So now let's go into programming. I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, we're going to be doing the programming using the xtool propad G2. So I want to go to mobilizer, agree to the terms and condition, GM, USA. First thing I want to do, I want to read the security. I want to read the security code. And once we obtain the security code, then we're able to program the key. Alright, our pin is 1222 or 4055. So let's go to mobilizer, by vehicle. This is Chevrolet USA. This is a Sonic. And it is a 2014. Read number of keys. There's 3 keys already. So program keys without smart. this is not push to start, so let's do add keys, close all doors. All right, our pin was 1 2 2 2. Now the 10-minute wait. All right, I'm gonna cut the video. We'll be back once it's done. Okay, now the 10 minutes is over. It says open and close driver door. Confirm all electronics are in the off. Okay, switch ignition on. Would you like to program another key? Now switch ignition off and remove the key. Press OK. Open and close driver door. Okay. Switch ignition on position. Press OK. Switch off position. Press OK. And back to on position. Press OK. All right, program is complete. Let's try this. All right, the car starts. And it locks and unlocks. All right, this is it. We're done. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more videos.